Hi, my name is Megan, and I'm a test prep expert here with Study.com. Today, we're going to go over a couple of sample questions from our Praxis Elementary Education Fundamentals Mathematics 8003, Geometry, Measurement, and Data. Stick with me to the end of this video to find out more resources from Study.com. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Which pair of lines is perpendicular? A, two lines that never intersect. Those lines are called parallel, so we're going to go ahead and knock off A. B, two lines that intersect to form right angles. That is what perpendicular means, so we're going to go ahead and hold that one to the side just in case. C, two lines that intersect to make an acute angle. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees, so we are going to go ahead and knock that off. D, two lines that lie on the same plane and never meet. This too is describing parallel lines, so we're going to go ahead and knock it off. And our answer is going to be B, two lines that intersect to form right angles. What is the volume of a rectangular prism with the length 4 units, width 3 units, and height 2 units? We're going to go ahead and draw this out. So we have a length of 4 units, a width of 3 units, and a height of 2 units. And it'll look something like this. We know that the formula for volume is length times width times height. So we're going to go ahead and plug in our numbers, which would be 4 times 3 times 2. And that would get us to 24. And you always want to make sure to add your units. We're going to go ahead and say D is our answer, 24. How does adding a very large value to a data set most affect the mean? We want to remember that the mean is the average number of your data set. So our answer choice is A, the mean will decrease. A large value is not going to decrease our mean. So we're going to go ahead and cross that off. The mean will remain unchanged. This is impossible if you're adding a new value to your data set. So we're going to go ahead and cross that one off as well. C, the mean will increase. This is true when you are adding a greater value. It will increase your average. D, the mean will become the median. Mean and median are different measures and do not become the same automatically. So that is not our answer either, and our answer will be C. The mean will increase. Our final question, a data set consists of values 4, 6, 8, and 10. What is the mean of the data set? So to find the mean or the average, you're going to add up all of your values and then divide it by the number of values you have. So we're going to add 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. And that gives us 28. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to go ahead and divide that by 4, which will give us 7. So our answer is going to be B. For more practice, check out our Praxis Elementary Education Fundamentals Mathematics 8003 playlist. And for even more practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head to Study.com for our Praxis Elementary Education Fundamentals test prep course. Have questions about another competency? Drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to Study.com for more targeted test prep. Thanks for watching and good luck on your next exam.